Hi everyone, welcome to Learn English with Mr. B and Anna. I'm Mr. B, your English teacher today. Now, let's learn numbers. Numbers are very important in English. Let's count from 1 to 10.
Yes, I like numbers.
Okay, repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Nice! Now let's count from 11 to 20.
Okay.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Perfect! Now, Anna, how many fingers do you have?
I have 10 fingers.
Good! And how many eyes do you have?
I have 2 eyes.
Right! 2 eyes, 1 nose, 1 mouth. Now, listener, can you count your fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job!
Yay! Counting is fun.
Yes, it is. Let's try a small game. I say a number, and you say it after me.
Okay.
5, 9, 14, 20. Great work!